The bike rack you select as part of your bicycle parking design is the primary factor in the success of the design. In this video, we'll review what makes a good bike rack and the best options for bike parking. When selecting a good bike parking rack, there are common features the rack must possess. First off, a bike rack should generate 2 points of contact on the frame of the bicycle. These points of contact should be spread out along the length of the frame and not above each other. This will provide proper support for the bicycle. The bike rack should also allow for both the frame and at least one wheel to be secured to the rack using a U-style lock. When only a wheel can be locked to the rack because of quick-release systems, wheels can easily be removed, leaving the rest of the bicycle vulnerable to theft. The bike rack also needs to be durable enough to resist cutting, bending, or deformation. Many thieves will attack the rack to gain access to and steal bicycles. Make sure the racks used in your bike parking are thick enough and made of materials that resist cutting or bending with common hand tools that can be easily carried or concealed in backpacks or coats. Lastly, the bike rack needs to securely mount to the ground. When a rack can be dislodged from the ground, it becomes useless. With these must-haves in mind, here are some of the best bike racks for bike parking. Inverted U bike racks, known as U-style racks, U bike racks, and staple racks, while simple in design, offer all the key features for bike parking. Supporting the bicycle frame in 2 places, allows locking of the wheel and frame, durable, and comes with different mounting options to match the surface. This style of rack is often mandated or preferred in municipal ordinances for bike parking. They are usually one of the most affordable bike racks available as well. There are also alternative design styles that go beyond the U-shape that, while maybe not considered a traditional U bike rack, provide the same functionality. Post and Ring is another bike rack that has been a bike parking favorite for years. These racks provide good security and support for bicycles. Their design differs from inverted U bike racks in that there's a single post that is ground or surface mounted versus the 2 legs. These bike racks are available in galvanized, stainless, or powder coat finish. There are custom ring options available. There are also rings available that can transform the posts of parking meters, street signs, and other items into post and ring bike racks. Another common style bike rack used for bike parking is wheel well secured. Although designs vary, the common feature of this type of rack is an element that holds the wheel of the bicycle. This provides an additional level of support for the bicycle to keep it from falling over. The well also acts as a guide to help ensure bicycles are properly parked at the rack. Wheel well secured racks regularly come on rails or in multi-rack configurations. To maximize the number of bicycles that can be parked using this style of rack, look for offerings where each rack is staggered vertically. The other item worth noting is each rack only parks a single bicycle, where inverted U and post and ring bike racks can park 2 bicycles per rack. Selecting good bike racks is key when designing good bike parking. Use the information in this video when assessing bike racks for your project. And if you need a comprehensive resource for designing bike parking areas, Madrax has a free bike parking guide available for download. You can find a link in the description of this video to access the PDF file. If you missed any of the previous videos on bicycle parking design, click the thumbnails on the screen to start watching. To keep getting bike parking video content, subscribe to the Madrax channel by clicking the subscribe button, then the bell. And if you have any questions about this topic or suggestions for upcoming video topics, leave them in the comments below.